Best coupons for Cnfans in 2025. I'm going to tell you the top 3 Cnfans coupon codes for 2025 and how to grab max savings. First up, Rep News gives you 15% off shipping when you sign up and shop via the popular Google Spreadsheet community. Bonus, sign up to Cnfans here and save money in shipping. With coupon code REPNEWS, you get an additional 15% off shipping. Second, the second code, JADESHIP, offers a straight 15% instant shipping discount, no minimum spend, valid for about 60 days per JADESHIP deals listing. And third, keep an eye for Cnfans Flash 30, a flash sale code that saves up to 30% off selected items during limited events. Want to use them? At checkout, paste the code into promo/coupon before payment. Layer them with seasonal cashback or agent welcome bonuses, and you've got a rep shopping setup that's lean and mean.